Hello folks, this is Yamil Sued for Gunstruck Reviews. We're here at C2 Tactical in Scottsdale, Arizona, our favorite indoor facility. And today we're going to talk about hearing protection and keeping your hearing protection going. Okay, we live here in Arizona. Our weather is pretty hot in the summer. It gets sort of kind of dry or wet or cold in the winter. And we're going to talk about updating and upgrading your hearing protection just to keep it going, okay? One of the things I've been dealing with is, like, in the summertime here, the heat is so extreme sometimes that your pads or your seals on your hearing protection get hard and crusty, and they no longer seal against your body, okay? For example, I'm gonna show you here, I cut off one of the early ones from here, and you can see it's foam on the inside, but the problem is that the outside has become so hard and so crusty that it no longer sealed for me. So basically I cut this one open to show you. The foam is still good and all the other measures in it are still good, but the plastic on the outside, it is so hard that it was no longer working. So I replaced them on another set of factory ones and it was working okay. Today I found out a product that I was really interested about, and I'm gonna be testing it here for a while. Is Ready Up Gear makes gel ear pads. Basically, these are SoftSeal gel. The inside, instead of being foam, is gel. So it forms to the shape of your head and gives you a better seal. It's supposed to give you a better seal. So today I'm going to replace these with the Ready Up Gear and use them for a while and see how they behave. And I'll let you know after a month or two, then I'll do 2 or 3 months, and then at the end of summer, I will get back to you again and see how they perform in the summertime here in the heat outside. So let's go ahead and do it. One thing I got to tell you, they make these for 2 or 3 different brands of hearing protection. Here, these are the Howard Leight Impact Sport Bolt, but all the Impact series are the same shape. And I guess these fit another brand, but right now it escapes me. So you can go to the Ready Up website and check out what other brands they fit. So let's go ahead and do it. First things first, we're gonna get these out of the packaging so that we can actually install them. These are real easy to install, and again, these are very, very soft gel, and they feel comfortable. They feel that they're gonna do a great job around my ears and give me a good seal. These things are held in place by 8 little tabs on the corners, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. The way to take this out is really simple. Just stick your fingers underneath and pull, and they come out. Really simple. I've been using these for quite a bit of time now. So the easiest way is to go in and insert the bottom ones and the side ones. Okay, there you are. And then you push in the other tabs. And go the top ones first. It's hard for me to show you, but I'm just gonna go ahead and push the top ones too, and verify that they are all in, that all 8 are in, and bingo, you're done. You repeat the same process on the other side. Again, pull, take them out, put the gels in, bottom side, and the top tabs sometimes are harder to install than the bottom tabs. Again, I verify that they're all done and they're all selected, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and try them. I'm gonna shoot a couple of rounds and see how they behave, how they feel. Let me go get some ammo loaded. We'll go and do it. Let's go ahead and try them, see how they feel. Well, comfort-wise, they're very comfortable. They're giving me a really tight seal around my head, and they're really, they feel really, really good. How much do they protect? We'll find out real quickly here. I have 5 rounds, this is my EDC pistol. Wrong magazine, I'm using a Glock 17 mag on a Glock 19, but you can do that. 5 rounds. And actually, it gives really good protection. Feels really, really good. So what can I say? It's a good choice if you wear hearing protection a lot. you live in a climate that goes up and down in temperature, humidity, and all that all the time, I think it's a good idea. Ready Up Gear, gel ear pads. Check them out. And again, guys, like I always say, please stay healthy, be safe, and always, guys, have comfortable ears.